Hey tree lovers, Joel Mizell here with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. This is something I'm pretty proud of. This is a bald cypress tree that we just planted here at Dogs Inc. in Palmetto. By the way, a quick word about Dogs Inc. This is a company that trains guide dogs and then gives the dogs to vets. And we are so proud that we've been asked to come in here and help them with their campus after the hurricane blew through here. So there was a giant oak tree right here, and it fell right across the road. It was about a 3-foot diameter oak tree, and the ball of the tree was sticking way up in the air, probably 10 feet. So we got rid of the tree, planted a cypress here, and then planted these rocks down at the base of the cypress tree and filled in the gap with all this good rich dirt. And take a look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So this tree looks dead. It's not. This is what bald cypress trees do. It's still very much alive. Check us out, thetreeplanters.com. We know that people love trees, and when you find out that you love trees and how easy it is to order one from the Tree Planters, feel free to call us and let us satisfy your urge to enjoy nature at its finest with one of our big trees. Check us out at thetreeplanters.com. Call us from there, and we'll get trees in just for you. Have a great day.